If you're trying to scan something with NFC but your iPhone won't detect the tag, here's how to fix NFC issues quickly and get it working again. First of all, try restarting your iPhone. Press and hold the power button, then restart your iPhone. This can reset minor glitches affecting the NFC function. After that, turn airplane mode on and off. And for that, go to your control center, then tap on airplane mode. Wait for a few seconds, then turn it off again. This resets wireless features including NFC. Also check NFC position. Make sure you're holding the top back side of your iPhone near the NFC tag. That's where the NFC reader is located and holding it too far away can prevent detection. Next, try a different app. Some tags require a specific app, so try using Apple Wallet, a supported banking app, or an NFC reader app from the App Store. After that, check for any iOS updates. And for that, go to your Settings app, then tap on General. After that, go into Software Update, and if there is an update available, install it. It might fix any NFC box in your current version. And that's all. Once you've done these steps, try scanning the tag again. If it's still not working, the tag itself may be damaged or you can contact Apple support for deeper hardware help. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.